Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Working on the front stem of the boat, so the front. I haven't installed it yet, but I've got it all cut to size. I've chopped the rabbet that's going to accept the planking. You can sort of see a couple of my fairing battens here to check for the alignment. Installing the stem is going to be pretty difficult, or not difficult, but pretty important to not screw up, I should say. If this is turned left or right, it's going to cause the boat to go left or right if I'm trying to go straight. So trying to avoid that. So that's going to be a big thing. Then eventually, these strips are going to be faired down at the very tip to 3/8 of an inch. So, but that can wait till after everything's been planked, and then we bring it down to a point. One last thing before we go, I'm using this batten to sort of see like what's actually fair. I don't know how to explain it very well. Let's see if I can get the camera more in line. How about that? That might not work. I don't know how YouTube would do this shit. Anywho, so you can probably see that there's a low point here where this isn't lining up, and I think it's because this one's a bit high. So you can see low point, high point. So I'm gonna have to try to mess with that, because that's actually also the case at this exact same rib station here. So I must have gotten some measurement wrong or screwed something up. So I need to bring in rib station 7 and see how that goes. I'm working on the other stem here. I'm finishing up, gluing on strips so I can bring it to shape, and then I'll be able to do the second half of the boat. But for now, I'm going to try to figure out everything at the front half first. So now, why would I start with the front rather than the back? Well, when I'm rowing, I'll be always looking at the back, so might as well make all mistakes where I'm not looking. So that's all for now. You guys all have a great weekend. Cheers.